Here's how to fix Face ID if it's not working on your iPhone. Now, if you're trying to unlock your phone with the Face ID and it's not working, the first thing I would recommend doing is checking at the dynamic island or the camera at the top. Basically, just get a cloth and clean it, or maybe take off the screen protector, because that is where it will detect your Face ID. However, if that doesn't work, that's no problem. We can fix it by heading into the settings. And from the settings app, let's just tap on search and search for Face ID and passcode. Now you will need to enter in the passcode for your device. So let me just enter in the passcode to unlock the device. And from here, all we need to do is scroll down and tap on Reset Face ID. And after we've done that, tap on Setup Face ID. And then just hit Get Started and go through the process of setting up that Face ID. Essentially, just hold it in front of your face and move your face around in a circle to set it up as a new Face ID. A lot of times that fixes it. However, if that still doesn't fix it, we can do a hard reset on your phone. To do that, press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold the side button. So I'll show you how to do it. Volume up, volume down, press and hold that side button. Keep holding it even though you see slide to power off. And essentially you're just going to wait and hold it until the iPhone screen goes black. And then eventually you'll see the Apple logo appear. When it does appear, you've done a forced restart and that should get it solved. I hope this helps. If you don't mind, take a second and leave a comment down below with your feedback. Let me know, did this help you, or did you run into other issues and you need more help? I appreciate it.